Hello class, welcome to our English lesson. Today we're going to talk about models of permission and obligation. So we learn how can you express permission or obligation. Now, this lesson is for pupils of grade 12. So we start our lesson. We have the first case modeled with obligation. When we talk with obligation, we have the model have to, must, or ought to, should. Now, have to and must, they express strong obligation. For example, when we take the case of must, because with have to and must, there is a slight difference. So, must here, the obligation is felt to come from the speaker himself. When you have must, so the decision is from you. You take your decision and you execute it. As here, I say, I must read my note to succeed in class. So myself, I take my decision and I say, I must read my note to succeed in class. This is for must. Now, for have to, the source of obligation is external. I mean, for example, this is from the institution or the organization, or someone else takes a decision for you. For example, here I say, pupils have to arrive at school before 7 a.m. So, you'll notice here, this is the rule of school. It is not the decision from pupils, but the decision from school, from their institution. So, we use have to. Now, when we talk about ought to or should, ought to and should, they express weak obligation. For example, here I say, I ought to write to my mother today, but I'm feeling tired, so I will do it another day. You'll notice here, there is an obligation because I have to write to my mother, but that obligation is not strong. It depends on me. As I'm tired today, I say, okay, I'll do it tomorrow. And there is no problem. No one can punish me. But here, for example, with the first case, have to, if you come after that time, then they can put you into detention because you were late. You can be punished. But here, I'm free. I take my decisions, I do it as I want. So this is the case of models for obligation. Now I have models for permission. Asking for or giving a permission, you know that we can use those models. For example, can, could, or may. You say, sir, please, may I go out? This is the permission. Or, my friend, can you give me your pen? This is the permission. So, there are some examples for this. Here, for example, I say, hello, can I speak to Eric, please? Or, B, could I use your phone? Yes, of course. C, may I come in? Yes, please do. So these are what we call models for permissions. So today, as we said, we learn model of permission and obligation. So for obligation, we have to, must, or ought to, or should. Now for permission, we can use can, may, or could. These are what we call modals. So thank you for watching our video lesson of today. We will continue next time. Now, there is a practice. We'll do it. I will give it to you and send it to you through PDF. Thank you very much for your attendance of today. See you next time. Bye.